today we are going to prepare some ntraba froy, and this is my palm oil or kodo papebi odim pochamton wo Kashmir supermarket or kodo. Keep watching. So this is our onion, and we are going to add everything into our oil. Keep watching. Let's add in some chili powder. So guys, after 2-3 minutes, once our onions start cooking properly, this is our kakao, and we are going to add them in. Make sure you wash it nicely after buying it from Hilda's Kitchen. So here we go. Our kakao is in the building. Yes, orokodo ono number man. So you need zain who yes, Charlie in your bayre oboko, in your emo oboko, in your brother oboko, in your mankana oboko, in your gari oboko, in your bancho oboko. Everything they bring with your sister. Ubu full craft is bread or bay nicely beautiful. Orokodo. Our stew is still cooking, and we are going to add some of bazaar curry masala. We got it from Kashmir supermarket, so grab yours. So this is our bazaar curry masala. It's really nice, and I really love it. It tastes amazing. It has got a lot of mendes in it. Don't forget, to grab yours from Kashmir supermarkets or Roko de Papa or your Hilda's Kitchen. Always good food made in a clean environment. This is our fresh tomatoes from Kashmir supermarket, and we are going to dice them nicely and add it to our stew. So guys, join me as we are going to add in our diced tomatoes into the stew or rokodo or easy ban papa, sepis ban papa or your Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. How do you check it? Do you like it? It's cooking very, very nicely. Beautiful. Kakunu shad chale. On this note, we are going to dice our ntraba. Ntraba is the system. You can tell that come. Keep watching. As I said earlier on, the stew is cooking very nicely, as you can tell. Kakonu suwai huhurment we huhur kama. Yes, tomatoes so one onion no so one kama. On this note, we are going to add in our aubergine. Lines pink olive aubergine, only purple and white aubergine, and then we are going to fry it. Actually, we can fry nicely. We've still got more that we are going to cut it, and we are going to allow it to simmer on its own, cooking gently. And before you know, nan trouble now go boko. Until ibusha obandamana and yeah, bayra na bros as a fa. Oh yeah, fa. And sheni fa fabit in chena. Maybe before about obaya na jena there. Your friend and sonan friend, Mama Kasho. I've got some okras over here as well, all from Kashmir supermarket in Leeds. Look at okra, it's all at papa. Yay, I'm coming to dice them nicely, and we are going to add them into our stew. Or recipes by Papa or your Hilda's Kitchen. Only your good food made in a clean environment. Finally, after chopping our okra, we are going to add them into our stew, and guess what? The amazing feeling of having this with your banku, badere, banchi, gari is calling your attention to try this and thank me later. If so, band as a mama kindly mom one do later. Say please one papa or your Hilda's Kitchen. Good food made in a clean environment. As you all know, I sell some poku our so I've got some piece be, and I'm sure I'm saying no. Them for yarn and the bay. So as you are seeing it, it's fish, smoked tuna. On an we were fun noble for the fun our way. No fancy didn't show fun poku. Equans the mouth fun a poku sheshe. Or record, my whole come. A cheddar, everything is on point. And I'm not the words besides is banana sister. Chun. Okra stew no shire. Come. In trouble for you no shire, Jim. Come. Hey, and I'm telling Nigerian, you mean that I won't just say. Oh, Nigerian fun away the banana. There's more meat, fish, than the stew itself. No? If you are Nigerian, I beg don't vessel. This one I just example or record. On this note, let's add some water so our stew can take its time, especially the aubergine. Non toba, non bit, set us. Charlie, the stew is stewing, papa. On the wire, wine, come on. I hope you are going to try this, my recipe. But don't forget to give me the thumbs up, like, share, and kindly leave your nice, beautiful comments. Or record, Charlie. If it's been papa, or yeah, Hilda's kitchen. They say good food, always made in a clean environment. Papa, baby. Okra and trouble fry, you know. Now I've been them no, but your apple two, poku. Kakowom ebusia bibia is here but wa kan dem before mu gari no yes no cheddar everything is on point or record say please and papa or your Hilda's kitchen good food made in a clean environment. Thank you for watching. If you also want to know how this is being made, don't skip through the video, keep watching.